And she's here... why?
Chill out, Huntress. I'm here to help.
2 cops are dead.
All signs point to the Joker.
What is she doing here?
Hi. I'm Proxy. You must be the Huntress. The one that kills people?
I'm liking the changing of the guard going on here.
Look, while I'm not thrilled that you're here, Selina, your findings on the Eden Spring epidemic can really help us.
The computer's having a hard time compiling this guy's info. His fingerprints don't match any known database. Not GCPD, not Metropolis. Nada. Excuse me?
There. The name he went by when he was working with the Thorn Mob was Alessandro Giacchio.
Rotelli called him Nelson just before he died.
You mean before you killed him?
Alessandro what?
Giacchio. It's ice in Italian. I've been tracking his movements for a while.
Took on the 3 families alone?
What the hell were you thinking?
I don't have to tell you anything.
We could have questioned any number of people that you killed, but now the only lead we have left is Rotelli's second in command.
So are we gonna do this? And when were you gonna tell me that you could walk? Or about your ward here?
Okay, you do know I'm in the room with you guys?
I was planning on telling you. But you're hardly ever around.
Beep. Okay, Nightwing's info checks out. Guy's a ghost. But I did manage to find security camera footage from May 19th, placing him at 196 Dalton Way.
That's where Nightwing was shot.
Let's get in there.
Your lockup isn't exactly GCPD.
Yeah, you'd know.
Faith.
May 19th, Colesa's safe house, the night she died. What were you doing there?
We saved you from the hell you created for yourself. Give us what we need to know.
Nelson, she saved your life.
My name is Nelson Brooks. You want to know what happened on May 19th? The people I work for had Jane Colessa and Nightwing killed. When I asked why, my superior denied me information.
Who do you work for?
Cadmus, a Black Ops government organization formed by Amanda Waller. I'm sure you know the name.
Former head of the CIA.
What they had me doing, or what I thought I was doing, was to take down the Thorn crime family in Gotham. Found out from Rotelli, who isn't who he says he is, that Cadmus has bigger plans for Gotham. Something they're calling Project Escalation.
Project Escalation?
Sounds like some kind of video game.
Or a shitty comic book.
Was Rotelli with Cadmus?
He has his own thing going on. I think they're happier with him dead. I don't know what Project Escalation is. I was kinda shot before I could get more info.
Proxy?
Project Escalation.
The one thing your league has never grasped is how politics work.
You used Julie as a bargaining chip.
You were never going to hurt
I
her.
was never going to hurt her.
Who shot Nightwing?
I already told you I don't know. I was kept in the dark about a lot of things.
Nelson, they lost someone close to them.
I'm sorry, but I don't know who killed your friend. If I had to guess, Cadmus pulled the trigger.
Hello, Firewall. Goodbye, Firewall. Hello, Firewall. Goodbye, Firewall.
Amanda, Veronica, please, just listen to me.
Diana, untold thousands died.
I am aware of the casualties, but they would have been much higher if we were not involved.
Yay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, Gotham City Centered Project, authorized by Director Waller and President Luther. Wow. Known affiliates and operatives. Wow, there's a whole who's who of former Justice Leaguers on here.
You and Big Blue. You just don't listen sometimes, do you? Our way is not the best way right now.
We have to go back to the Watchtower.
No thanks. I'd rather stay down here with the mortals and be up there with the gods.
Got Captain Atom, Firestorm, Green Arrow. Oh my god.
What have you gotten out of him? Kind of in the middle of it.
Well, yeah, I know, but I need to ask him something. This is so much more important than every...
Canary, you work for Cadmus.
What are you talking about? I don't even know who you are.
I've seen you around the facility once or twice arguing with Wonder Woman.
Well, he's obviously nuts. Did we get what we need?
What are you talking about, Brooks?
I was tasked to work in the city, and I knew I wasn't alone. Lockhart wouldn't tell me who the other was. I knew she was a metahuman. I knew that Lockhart was afraid of her.
You lying sleaze! Canary!
That's enough, Canary. Back away.
I'm sorry, we're just all really...
Was that necessary? What's wrong with you?
Uh-oh, looks like Canary's in the hot seat.
Yes, I work with Cadmus. We can't keep relying on the Justice League to do everything. What if they turn on us?
That'll never happen. The League would never do that.
They've come close before. Could happen again. And all those supervillains, they're gonna stop arresting and start executing them. The League sits in their fortress floating above the skies like some kind of high tribunal like gods. We need to bring the power back to the people.
To the people?
Since when did Lex Luthor become the people?
He speaks for the people.
Yeah, he's also a teeny bit of a megalomaniac.
I don't like him, but on this he's not wrong. After Coast City, after Metropolis.
What have you been doing for Cadmus?
Who ordered the hit? I don't know what you're talking about. It wasn't us. You're not listening to me. Who killed Nightwing? I think you're the one with the hearing problem. We didn't order the hit on Nightwing. Go ask one of your arguments.
Canary. Who killed Nightwing?
I don't know. They didn't tell me, just like Brooks.
Clearly it wasn't a big enough priority for you.
You knew that Cadmus may have been behind his murder and you didn't say anything?
I had my suspicions, but I didn't know for certain.
Save it. No matter what you knew, you didn't bother to share it with any of us.
Oh, get off your high horse, slaughtering people in your own time, keeping your own secrets.
You lied to all of us. How is Cadmus any different than how you view the League?
I'm sorry this happened. I made some mistakes. We can't give up on what we're fighting for.
You gave up. Get out.
So are we still ordering Thai? I mean, come on.
Sorry, Rose.
Hello, everyone. Vicky Vale here. 7 bodies have been discovered in a Bowery warehouse that is now confirmed to be a fallback location for the Thorn crime family. Amongst the deceased...
Hey, I have a friend who's in some trouble. I really need to get going or else it could...
The murderer is suspected to be the Huntress, and she is still at large. Anyone with any info...
Whatever I heard on the street about Fortune, in light of what happened with Canary, Roxy and I both agree it's not a man. It's a front for Cadmus. Maybe it can help.
Thank you.
I heard about the other Nightwing. I'm sorry.
You're free, Brooks.
You're gonna need my help.
I don't know what we're doing. Things are a mess. Canary. It hit all of us. Speaking of hits, how's your shoulder doing?
It's not bad, thanks to your save.
Just needed you to talk, that's all.
You've killed all your mafioso targets, so what happens now? You hit a reset button?
I haven't thought about it.
Yes, you have.
Shower's down the hall. We'll be in the hub.
I'm really sorry. I couldn't help myself. I'm a big fan. You're actually one of my heroes. Enjoy the beer.
Excuse me? Can I help you?
Hey there, pretty bird. Give some company?
I don't know what you're doing here, but I'm about to permanently shatter your eardrums in about 10 seconds.
What a week we had, huh? Couple of chumps.
What are you talking about?
Us. We were duped, you and me. Me by the wall, you by Lockhart. Good riddance to her, by the way.
Look yourself.
Thank you. Birds kicked you out of the nest, huh?
I don't know what you think you know, but what I know is that a hypersonic attitude adjustment might really help you out today.
Whoa. All right, calm down. All right, fishnets? You black and blue bird boy? That wasn't me. That was the wall. I'm just a puppet with a bomb in his neck, and she's been pulling the strings the entire time. But lately, she ain't charging. Just a joker. And that Calloway cop you've been looking for? He's got him upstate in a secret facility somewhere. And I can tell you where.
You expect me to trust you?
Actually, yes. My little girl, I don't get to see her until the wall is free from that clown.
Yeah, well, capital punishment's a bitch.
Hey, you think I like this? Being a lackey? A cog in their wheels? Well, I hate to spoil it for you, dollface. No, I don't like it. And I was kind of hoping that you don't like it either. So what's it gonna be, Lance? You want my help or not?